I'm disappointed, right? I'm disappointed because a lot of the chatter that I heard basically was like, we didn't come to the Super Bowl to get a history lesson. We ain't come to protest. We didn't come for this blackity black. We came to be entertained. Where the his at, man? Where the this at? Where the that at? And though I understand that to a small, very small degree, that's the problem. That's the problem. Black History Month is for making history. It's for highlighting our history, but it's also to make the world know we will continue to make history. We will continue to set and blaze the path forward, right? So how do you do that? You have to go against the grain, right? You have to be the trendsetter. You have to be the guiding light.